Oh yeah, guys, before we went to bed, we decided let's decorate our door. We have ducks to hide.
Oh no,
But this
the card
concludes.
inside.
You left a card inside? How are we supposed to get back in?
Do you have your card?
No.
Dad?
You didn't give me the card.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do now?
Let's go get a manager to help us.
So tell Daddy, what are you doing?
Bye.
What are you doing? Tell Daddy.
The Decors, we're just about to go to bed. And tonight we're just about to go to bed. And we're decorating the door before we go to bed. But let's see how tall I am. Almost to the door. Alright, carry on. We're gonna put on my little duck.
You could be in the middle, as usual. No, that's not okay. Wow.
That's mine. That's the pirate dad. It's pirate dad.
Well, you could make a style.
Oh yeah.
And who's this girl?
You? It's creepy.
It's creepy.
Yeah. Don't you see the eyes?
Not creepy.
But don't you see the
I
eyes?
have my mascara on. What are you talking about? Your turtle.
Sorry.
On top.
So they can be like this.
No. That is. Here.
How
put
about
it
below
here.
them? No, below them looks better.
Here,
Below
have a
them
nice-
looks better.
This like, if you come in my room, this is what's gonna happen. Okay. Mommy, popsicle.
Popsy.
Okay. Daddy, popsicle.
Daddy popsicle. Dad. Daddy.
And then I will do the rest.
Dad. I love popsicles.
So our first cruise.
First cruise.
What was our first cruise?
2022.
Yeah, that was your first cruise. What was your first cruise? Do you know?
Wonder of the Seas.
Uh-huh. Our second cruise,
The
Symphony of the Seas. Our third cruise,
Harmony.
uh-huh. Our fourth
Voyager.
Uh-huh.
Well, you guys only counting Royal Caribbean.
Because we kind of loyal to loyal.
Okay.
You could tell.
Biscuits.
And our fifth cruise.
Icon of the Sea.
Yep.
We've been on 4 cruises.
How many?
4 cruises.
Careful.
4.
We don't have much decoration, but this just shows our loyalty.
Yeah.
Here.
Wonder, Symphony, Harmony, Voyager, Icon.
Oh yeah, guys, before we went to bed, we decided let's decorate our door. We have ducks to hide.
Oh no, I
But this
left the card
concludes.
inside.
You left a card inside? How are we supposed to get back in?
Do you have your card,
No.
Dad?
You didn't give me the card.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do now?
Let's go get a manager to help us.
Oh, you better.
Let's go get a manager to help us.
You better go to.
Let's go.
You go. You're the one that left the car inside. Just tell them you left the car inside.
No, I'm not going.
No.
I'm scared to go tell
But
them.
then I'm gonna get kidnapped.
They might just kick you off the ship.
They might just take you to work in a ship. And I get family discount.
Go, get a manager sign.
Get a manager. We'll be here because we need to tell them which door it is.
I want to go to bed quick. Hurry up, go.
Get a manager and let them know.
Wait.
Oh, look, he opened.
You have the card.
But thank you. You were going to get him.
She was gonna
go. Good job. You were gonna rescue us. Good job taking care of us.
I thought we left the card.
Mission accomplished with the door.
This is mine. You left it. I could have rescued up his. I had the card.
All right, y'all. Day 2 down. Definitely still getting impressed by the size and the difference with Icon of the Seas compared to the other Royal Caribbean ships that we've been on. This ship just continues to amaze us with how different things were made, how well things were made in this ship. As far as like the food, definitely really good. I hope the quality standards continue to be very high for Icon of the Seas. I think the people are going to be expecting that to continue to be the case. The entertainment is really, really, really nice. We have been able so far to go to the ice show, to the water show, and actually today we were able to be at the theater and watch The Wizard of Oz, which was also a great show. I mean, they continue to just kill it. Royal Caribbean doing an amazing job in entertainment and food and the amenities that they have in Icon of the Seas. I have zero complaints so far. Everything continues to be amazing. Tomorrow is going to be day 3. It will still be a sea day, and you know what, I could care less that it's still a sea day. There is just so much to see in the ship that we have not explored yet. We are ready to go to bed. As you can see, my 2 beautiful ladies behind me are ready to just put that head on the pillow. We are going to be disconnected and Expedition family, let's get it done. We'll see you all in the next one, okay? Take care.
Goodbye.